John, I want to go to Argentina.
It is pronounced Argentina, you dumb kitty fuck.
Whatever, John, I need some Argentinian lasagna.
Why go to the baddies when over here you got the goodies?
Listen, Joey Nuttin, I did not ask for your goddamn opinion. We are going to Argentina and we go with style.
What do you mean by style, Grunkle Stan?
All aboard the stupid mobile.
Garfield, you mischievous piece of shit. Did you just really use Eddie's skin to make a car? Oh my god, I swear to God, Daddy.
While you were nagging with your yap and we arrived safe and sound. Jesus, John, you sure have little patience, just like you have a little ball, Dicky.
Shut your horrid smell mouth and let's get the condensed lasagna you so very wish for already.
Hello, Mr. Argent nigga. One delicious lasagna, if you will.
Here you go, Boludo.
Yum, this lasagna makes me one joyful chubby orange cat. Yum, y-u-u-u-u-u-m-m-m.
Yes, very good. Now can we get home now already so I can punish you? Don't you think you are gonna get away at Voddy's? Garfield. Gulag. G-A-A-R-R-R-F-I-I-E-E-L-D-D-D-D-D-D.
Sorry, John. With this weight of mine, this car ain't gonna work for the both of us. After all, you say that a fat scoundrel like me should go to another place away from your existence. And look at the bright side. At least you can catch some nice air up in here. But since you are in Argentina, we could say, my friend, that you are gonna catch some Buenos Aires. Get it, pues Buenos Aires is the capital of Argentina. I'll just go for some snooze now, LMAO.